In the realm of contemplation, a seeker approached the wise master with a question about the oneness of existence. With humble curiosity, the seeker asked, "Master, how can we understand the oneness of existence, when our perceptions reveal a world divided?" The master smiled gently and invited the seeker to observe the canvas of the sky. "Look up," the master said, pointing toward the vast expanse above. "Behold the boundless sky, stretching far beyond the grasp of our mortal sight." The seeker raised their gaze, witnessing the radiant azure expanse. "Indeed, Master, the sky appears as one unified entity," the seeker acknowledged. "But within this unity, we notice individual houses, trees, and structures rising against its backdrop. Are they not separate from one another?" The master nodded thoughtfully, acknowledging the seeker's observation. "You are perceptive, my student," the master replied. "Indeed, each house may seem distinct, standing apart from the others. Yet, consider this: does the sky truly end at the threshold of a house?" The seeker pondered the question and realized the depth of the master's wisdom. "No, Master," the seeker replied with newfound insight. "The sky transcends the boundaries of any dwelling, encompassing all." The master's eyes gleamed with satisfaction. "Precisely," the master affirmed. "In the same way, the oneness of existence permeates all creation, just as the sky envelopes every house. Though our perceptions may delude us into perceiving separation, the truth remains that all is interconnected, bound by the very fabric of existence." The seeker's heart stirred with understanding, yet a lingering question remained. "Master, if everything is one, why do we experience separateness and diversity in our daily lives?" The master extended a hand and plucked a single leaf from a nearby tree. "Look closely at this leaf," the master instructed. "Observe its intricate patterns, its unique shape and color. Can you perceive its individuality?" The seeker examined the leaf, marveling at its delicate veins and the vibrant hues that adorned its surface. "Yes, Master," the seeker replied, "the leaf bears its own distinctiveness." The master nodded, gently holding the leaf between their fingers. "Indeed, my student. Each leaf, each being, each moment in existence holds a unique expression. Just as the sky is one, yet reveals itself through countless forms, so too does existence manifest itself through myriad expressions." A moment of silence enveloped the seeker as they contemplated the master's words. The realization of oneness mingled with the appreciation of diversity. In that profound stillness, the seeker glimpsed the unity that lay beyond appearances, a unity that encompassed the entire cosmos. In that sacred moment, the seeker and the master sat together, unified in their understanding, like a drop dissolving into the boundless ocean of existence.